morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaican Insider. Just taking you on a drive here. Right now I'm on Red Hills Road in Red Hills, and already the traffic is up and running. That crazy driver, man. These people can be so impatient, and we wonder why we have so many accidents on our roads. Anyway, so as I said, I'm in Red Hills, on Red Hills Road, and already the traffic is up. It's minutes to 7. It's not even 7 o'clock as yet on this, what is it now, Tuesday morning, first day of February. Thought I'd share this ride with you. So January has completed. What about those New Year's resolutions? How are they going? It's a new month, still a new year, still can make a change this year for the better. We all can make changes, eh? What's the name of this bird? This white bird on our left. If you know the name of it, just write it in the comment section. We're almost at the bottom of the hill. Coming up on our left, you will see a man preparing to roast some breadfruit. He sells breadfruit here in the mornings. Maybe they need to put up a stoplight at the foot of the hill. Maybe that will help with the traffic. Because as you can see right now, there's no traffic. Smooth sailing. Sunny this morning. Slightly overcast. Just might get some rain today. Continuing on Red Hills Road. On our right we can see some trucks waiting to do delivery at PriceSmart. It's just 7 p.m. a.m. rather. Just 7 a.m. and I'm ready. The hustle and bustle is on its way. Passing by the St. Richard's Primary School and Catholic Church on our left. At this traffic, man. Some scholars waiting by the bus stop. If you know Red Hills Road, you know this area is well known for its pan chicken. Of course, a little too early for pan chicken now though. But certainly throughout the day, you can get pan chicken here on Red Hills Road. By Red Hills Mall on our right. And St. Andrew Plaza on our left. And here comes the sun. Elizabeth Avenue on our left, Red Hills Terrace on our right. Lee's Supermarket and Pharmacy also on our left. Look at that traffic. So what some people do, they take this left turn on Sunset Drive to avoid this traffic. So coming up on our left is this new business center currently being developed. So I would like to show you just a brief view of it. There it is on our left. '76 Red Hills Road Business Center. Well, when it's completed, I will definitely show you guys, so stick around for that one. Coming up to Robalock Calabar High School on our right. Students heading to school now. police on duty doing a patrol. You know, this area can be very busy. Oftentimes we can find taxi drivers overtaking recklessly in this area, so definitely a need for police in this area, unfortunately. Alright, I'm just going to continue on Red Hills Road. Of course, that left turn would have taken us to not Chelsea, Dunrobin. Look at that youngster on the bike. Man, no helmet. He's holding on for dear life, eh? Can get to your foreign exchange on our left by the Lasco Financial Center, if you will. They have some decent rates, at least they usually do. This lane seems to be moving faster. going by Tools Hardware on our left. Sugar and Spice on our right. And we're basically at the end of Red Hills Road. Approaching Eastwood Park Road. I don't know, maybe that's for good luck. A lady pouring water, I don't know. So I'm going to stop the video here. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Were you surprised to see so much traffic on the road? And still, right now it's 7:15. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, do enjoy the rest of your day and thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't as yet. Alright, so see you again soon. Take care.